To file local taxes in Pennsylvania, you need to understand the tax system and follow a step-by-step process. Pennsylvania is one of the states with a complex tax system, as it has local taxes in addition to state taxes. First, determine if you need to file local taxes, as not all areas in Pennsylvania have local taxes. If you live in an area with local taxes, such as Philadelphia or Pittsburgh, you will need to file a local tax return. Next, gather all necessary documents, including your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other relevant tax documents. You will also need your Social Security number or taxpayer identification number. Now, choose a filing method, either e-file or paper file. E-filing is faster and more convenient, and it also reduces the risk of errors. You can e-file through the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue website or through a tax preparation software. If you choose to paper file, you can download the necessary forms from the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue website or pick them up from a local tax office. Once you have chosen your filing method, fill out the necessary forms for local taxes. You will typically need to file a local income tax return, which will require you to report your income and calculate your local tax liability. After filling out the forms, submit them to the local tax office or e-file them through the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue website. Make sure to submit your return by the deadline, which is typically April 15th. Finally, pay any local taxes you owe. You can pay online, by phone, or by mail. If you are due a refund, it will be sent to you after your return has been processed. It is also important to note that some areas in Pennsylvania have earned income tax, which is a tax on wages and salaries. If you live in an area with earned income tax, you may need to file an additional return. In addition, some tax preparers and accounting firms offer local tax filing services, which can be helpful if you are not familiar with the tax system. By following these steps and understanding the tax system, you can ensure that you file your local taxes in Pennsylvania correctly and on time.